Started using this bone iPhone lanyard because I wanted a way to carry my phone without always holding it or digging it out of a bag, especially when traveling. Actually, travel is the main reason I got it. I really like the design of this holder. It stays in place and allows you to access all the features on your phone. Nice quality rubber and adjustable strap, not bulky or heavy, and it doesn't tug awkwardly when I'm walking. And having my phone right there on a strap means I don't drop it or set it down somewhere and forget about it. Yeah, I've done that a couple of times. Very panicky situations indeed. So far, in addition to travel, I've worn it shopping, going for walks, and to conferences. Getting the straps on your phone can be a bit finicky at times. It is tight, but once they're on, they feel secure. I only recently discovered that the strap separates from the base part, so you can attach the base to anything else you want, like a set of keys or coin purse with a ring, or tie it on the inside of your bag for security. And then you could use the lonely strap just as a lanyard with something else attached, like a name card, say. Yeah, this was a good purchase. Recommend.